Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video, we're going to dive into the world of cryptocurrency and exploring the top 5 crypto exchange that you need to know about. With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one, but don't worry, we got you covered. In this video, we're going to break down the top 5 crypto exchange. So guys, before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's get started. So our number one here is Binance. Binance, with over 50 cryptocurrency pairs, Binance is a popular choice among crypto traders. Its maker fee range from 0.10% to 0.02%, while its taker fees range from 0.10% to 0.04%. Binance is a digital currency exchange. It allows users to buy and sell crypto like Bitcoin and trade cryptocurrency, swap for one another, and to store cryptocurrency in a secure wallet. Over to number 2 here is OKS. Number 2, which is the OKS. OKS is like a professional trading platforms that offer advanced features like futures trading and option trading. Fee range from 0.08% to 0.02%. OKS is also a digital currency exchange. It offers buying and selling of crypto, trading cryptocurrency, future trading, betting on future prices, and option trading, which is the buying and selling of contracts. So over to number 3 here is Bybit. Bybit is a popular cryptocurrency exchange platform that allows users to buy and sell and trade various digital assets, including Bitcoin and over 100 other cryptocurrency. It offers a user-friendly interface, slow fees, and advanced trading tools, make it the favorite among both beginners and experienced traders. Move to the next phase, which is the top 4 in top 5 in crypto exchange. So the number 4 here is KuCoin. KuCoin is like a treasure chest for crypto when it comes to cryptocurrency exchange. They have over 700 cryptocurrency available. Fee range from 0.1% to 0.01% on KuCoin. And KuCoin is a digital currency exchange that offers buying and selling of cryptocurrency, lending coin to others, staking any interest on store coin. So over to number 5. Our top 5 here is Bitget. Bitget is one of the most popular used cryptocurrency exchange. Bitget is a cryptocurrency exchange that offers spot and future trading as well as other financial products. Here are some key features, which is the trading option, cryptocurrency, fees, and security. Bitget is a digital currency exchange that focuses on buying and selling of crypto, trading cryptocurrency, future trading, and corporate trading, which is copying experienced traders. So guys, this is the end of this video, but lastly, these exchange are ranked based on factors like trading values, liquidity, and user interface. However, it's essential for you to know this and compare the fees and security and other features before you start choosing an exchange. So this is the end of this video. I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Love you.